audio, man. Ain't got no conditions out there. I say welcome to the weekend, each and one and all. Audio man, the voice of Canton, Ohio, got down.
Okay, well, good, man. It's nice, man. We got it out there, man. It was nice, man. I think it was 7 or 0, 7 or something, man. You know, so I was doing 3 times 1 round of power down.
Hello, my WPDX brother. Hello, my WPDX brother, ain't no doubt. 351, audio man, read the mail. Sounds like it's out here around the Football Hall of Fame. Hello, Vice Grip. Hello, Vice Grip. Audio man just got down.
Hello, audio man. Hey, audio man, audio. Hello. Happy night to you, audio man. Audio, wipe out. Come on down.
I got it all, Vice Grip. Hello, 351 as well. Welcome to the weekend, everybody. Welcome to this beautiful weekend, ain't no doubt. My doggone Ivy's going away. I'm smiling. I'm smiling, ain't no doubt. The doggone Ivy is going away. I can see today. I can see real good right now, ain't no doubt. Hello, everybody out there. Audio man got down.
Right, audio man, long time no see you. Thank you. Hey, audio man. Have a good one, man. Happy happy to show you out there. Hey, good pleasure. Please, I will have a car. That's right. Good weekend. And happy birthday. Audio man, oh, Vice Grip on a standby. Me and my Yukon on Wi-Fi.
I got it all for both of you. I appreciate it. Ain't no doubt. Right back at you, Vice Grip. And 351, you both have a good day. Have a great Father's Day out there as well. Ain't no doubt about it. And welcome to the weekend. Boy, it feels good to be able to see again. I don't know who checked out that video I put on there today, but if you check it out, you'll see what my doggone eyeballs look like. And that was just an after effect. I didn't even bother doing it the day I lost my eyes, ain't no doubt about it, but I'm seeing today, doggone it, man. I can see clearly now, the rain is gone. Hello, Vice Grip, 351, audio man, got down.
Audio man, you know them good talk with something along on the inside. Always hungry on the same time. I'll pick the phone down with all he's on my homeboy one more. He's on the phone, no doubt about it. Hey, kid, we said, audio man, welcome to the time. We get good talk, though. Audio man, you know what it is. It is 1996 Yukon, bump down, no doubt about it. Audio man, me and my Yukon on the side, cut down.
I got it on 351, you do the same. Vice Grip, absolutely sounding good like you always do. Got that maul down. Good gracious alive, man. You're rocking the socks out here in the doggone Buckeye. Vice Grip, the Yukon sounds bodacious, man, like it always does. Ain't nobody but your one and only wwpdx audio man, the voice of Canton, Ohio, got down.
Hey, we got my homeboy, number 5 on the floor. Your homeboy, Vice Grip on the sand, me and my Yukon on Wi-Fi. Great.